Hey, what up, alien? Alien boy here. Earthlings, welcome. If you're not an alien, you should consider subscribing so that you don't have to be an earthling. Whatever. Today we're gonna be reacting to Corpse. Cat girls are ruining my life. And yeah, I think this is the one before E-girls are ruining my life, and I really hope like it sounds similar to it. It would have been cool, you know, if it sounds similar. Really hoping. Also, I think it's animated theme, which is one of my favorite things. Anime, watching anime rap or listening to anime rap is really cool. When rappers like give out little anime hints in them. I don't know. Let's just watch this. Oh, that's from, I forgot the name of it.
Make a stack, Pepe laugh. Got all of these bitches, man. She sent me in. I don't give up bands. I feel like Twitch staff. Clip that.
Oh, hold on, I forgot the name of it. Dang it. But it's Tokyo Ghoul. There we go, Tokyo Ghoul. Yeah, this feels like it's just a big anime edit. I really enjoy those. Like I said before, this is really nice. His voice is really nice. His voice is a very good thing. Oh, I remember this episode. That mask. I want that mask. Whoa. I thought that was Avatar first for a second. That one lava bender. Hey, that one girl. Or boy, whatever it is. No! I like her energy, his energy. Very psychotic. I'm not even listening to the song. What up? Oh. She always got her collar on, she always fucking calling me. What she call me? It's slashed. She like the way I look at her, she like that I am home. Please, I cannot fucking help it, bro. These cat girls always fall for me. His voice. Fucking switch up like a blade on me. Got a handcuff, put chains on me. Bitch, I don't give a fuck, do not try to change me. I see no cats in here. Oh, that's over. I saw 0 cats in here. I'm not mad, but it was talking about cat girls. I need to read the lyrics because I have no idea what this boy said. It was very I like it though. I like it. I need to watch all of his videos so that I can go and download him on Spotify so that I can get into the lyrics. But so far I'm enjoying this. I'm really liking this. It sucks that they're too short, but at the same time it feels perfect because of the music videos. The anime edits, they go really well with this types of music. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Stay alien and peace.